Join us as we make stuffed chicken breasts and potato pockets. Watch to the end for outtakes.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Coop to Grill. We're cooking dinner tonight. What are we cooking? We're cooking chicken and potato pockets on the smoker. All right, so we are doing chicken and potatoes. We've already got our potatoes. They're peeled and they're diced, they're rinsed off, they're ready to go. And potato pockets, we're going to throw an onion. This is a very small red onion. And we're going to toss that in with the potato pockets as well and season those up with some Blackstone's cheesesteak seasoning. This stuff is awesome on just about everything. We're going to throw some butter in with that. So we're going to slice a chicken breast. We're going to take some cream cheese. I've got that softening right now. We're going to put some garlic in there. We're going to get some double garlic butter seasoning in with the Dash Original, and that's going to go in with our cream cheese mixture and go into our chicken breasts.
I need to look at your biggest fan.
Oh my goodness! Bella, table for one.
What is she doing?
Oh my goodness.
That's a table.
I drink my coffee off of that in the morning. Oh, she doesn't even care.
Oh,
Look at that.
She's so fancy.
Doesn't even care.
What a weirdo.
Oh my goodness. All right, we're going to try 3 potato pockets. We'll see where that gets us. If I have to do another one, I will. And we did like 4 potatoes in this. And that's because we're going to have leftovers tomorrow for breakfast. So we're going to spray this down. We're going to take our mutilated butter, probably about 2 tablespoons of that for this. We're going to add about that many potatoes. I don't know, a good handful. You don't want to cover it. You don't want it to be super tight, but we're going to do, and then break up your butter a little bit there. So you got a nice good covering. We're going to do a little bit of the seasoning. You can be pretty liberal with this. This is, that's
delicious.
well, it is delicious, but it's not like super powerful and it's not really salty, so that's really good. We're going to do about a quarter of our onion, maybe. Just like that. Now that we've got that taken care of, we're going to fold in half. And I like to vent these a little bit. So I'm not going to pinch the tops. I'm going to pinch the sides. Right. And then I'm just going to, and I'm going to close it, but I'm not going to roll it. And I'm going to throw that right on the smoker. I've got that set at 350 degrees. Everything's cooking at the same temperature and right about the same time. I mean, as fast as I can get these things on here. 8 ounces of cream cheese. We're going to use all of it. That's about 4 ounces of cream cheese per chicken breast if you are, following me on the math thing. So we're going to get our cream cheese mixture going before we cut these things. About a tablespoon-ish of garlic. And do, I don't know, about a half a tablespoon-ish of this double garlic butter. And about the same amount of Dash Original to get our herbs. And we're going to mix this all together. All right, we've got our garlic and herb mixture with the cream cheese. I'm going to throw on a glove.
Oh, come on.
Now this is the fun part. Actually, before I mess around with the chicken, I'm going to pull out 2 more pieces of aluminum foil. We're going to take this chicken breast. Look at that. That's so nice. I'm going to trim off a little bit of this fat right here. Now pick your side. I don't know that it really matters, but this got some more meat on it over here. I can get that straighter, so I'm going to just slice this sideways. Try and stay about even. I want a nice even cook here. So we're going to slice. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Right?
Yep.
Yeah. We got the aluminum foil. We're going to take a little bit of the spray right there. We're going to slap this chicken breast down there. We're going to take about half of this cream cheese.
Oh, my.
Yep. I'm going to throw that right in there.
And I do love the chicken breasts that we get that are stuffed from Super One. But it is hit or miss on how much cream cheese is in there. So this is pretty exciting. You can control that.
Yeah. You guys like these knives? These are nice. These are really nice. Like U-line Reflex. I got 3 of these things. It comes with a knife sharpener. These things, I've used them a bunch, and I have not had to sharpen them yet. So I really, really like these knives. All right, we're gonna take. Aha. Good seasoning over that. And this I am going to go a little bit tighter. I am still going to not roll the top though. And that. Get the rest of our cream cheese. Ooh, yeah.
Holy moly.
Yeah. This might have been a little bit more than half.
Yikes.
But well, but it's not. It's got to lay down. Look at this. You know, when you spread it all out like this here, it's not as bad as you think.
It's like a chicken cheese sandwich.
Yeah. Fold that back over on the top. Look at that. Tuck it in.
Oh,
Put that in there.
it's so pretty.
We're going to throw the seasoning over top of that. This is going to be so freaking good.
It's beautiful.
I've been looking forward to these all day.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Crimp up the end. Throw that on there. Look at that. It's about 30 seconds between chicken breasts.
Yeah.
We're fine. We're going to let that roll for about 45 minutes. We're going to come back and check the temperature. The potatoes should be done. The chicken breast should be done. The corn will be resting in the cooler. We'll see you guys at 45. All right. Well, it's been about 40 minutes, and we're going to check this really quick. Oh, my. Oh, yeah. Those potatoes are done. Now, let's see. This is the big chicken breast. Oh, yeah. Perfect. We're going to get this pulled off the grill. Man, this smells so good. Oh, my God. That's so good. Yeah, I can taste all the garlic and the herbs. And, yeah, this is, and cheese. Man, this is really good. And it's just a faint smoke flavor.
Oh, you tasting the potatoes
Oh,
too?
we're going to taste the potatoes too.
Oh,
We got to
alright.
taste the potatoes. A little bit of onion, a little bit of tater. Oh. Mmm. Oh, yeah. And the butter melted all right into it.
Mm,
It's just right. Look at that. A little bit everywhere,
that's beautiful.
right? A couple of them a little brown. I love those ones.
Me too.
Yeah. Well, thanks for coming along with us and cooking stuffed chicken breasts and taters on the smoker. Do not forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment. It helps grow our channel. And I've got a bunch of butters over here because Mr. Grill told me I needed to start using these things up that I kept getting half sticks on. We're going to take our chicken breast.
Like you blame me.
You know what? I had a brand new, very nice, pretty stick of butter sitting out here. And do you see a nice, pretty stick of butter? No, I see all these mutilated things that I use for corn and potatoes and on the Blackstone, and they melted a little bit and then reformed, and they're like Quasimodo of butter over here on my table. That's fine, though. We're going to use that up.
You know what? They taste the same.
They will taste delicious. Actually, those ones might taste better, especially that one. I think I had to do some corn and salt on that one.
Oh, good grief. Used to be Mrs. Dash.
It was Mrs. Dash. You know what? This is still, it's always going to be Mrs. Dash. We actually have a can of the Mrs. Dash. If you guys haven't had leftover potato pockets with your fried eggs and bacon in the morning the next day, oh my gosh, it's so good.
Look how fast you're going through those mutilated butters.
Well, you know, I'm just trying to get them burnt up.
Good.
Good. I'm glad. Glad you like that.
Yeah.
Thank you. Make sure you're not sassy when you go in there, because I hear it.
I'm not going anywhere.
That's right, you're not. Wow. Mr. Grill sure does get sassy. What? That's true.
You're right, kettle.
Preparation. Proper preparation and planning prevents...
Oh, boy.
I don't know. There was a whole
It's
thing
the
there.
7 Ps.
Proper planning prevents piss poor production.
Well, that's some of the words.
Is that not how that goes?
It's proper prior planning prevents piss poor performance. At least that's the way it was taught to me.
What, did I say prevents piss poor production? Yeah, prevents piss poor production. Pish posh.
Fish
You know what?
posh to you.
Never mind that.
Yeah, that's better. Yeah, bob and weave, that'll help. No.
If you want to see more cooking videos of us doing this stuff, they're right over here. That's where she puts them.